Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif. After a long time, I'm just today going to show you something new. I was in a travel and that was the Saint Martin Island in Bangladesh, the last side of the Bangladesh. Okay, I'll edit today photo, which is the sea beach photo, and with the Lightroom. Here is my Lightroom, the Creative Cloud, Adobe, the Lightroom Creative Cloud, and I got some picture. I'll edit this one. Okay, and if you want to watch it bigger, then you have to press this window, and if you want to the tile mode or grid mode, you can just press here. Okay, you can zoom it. Okay, it's loading, actually taking time. This one is our big brother, Omar Bhai. Okay, press the develop button and all the panel will appear, the settings and the functions will appear. I'm just making it down, this panel and this panel also, and you can also just give this panel slider. You can make it bigger, you can make your screen bigger, and here is the information of the photo, the dimensions and when you got this photo. Okay, and I'm just opening this panel just because of here is my all the settings, and I'll just do the basic color correction of this photo. Okay, at first exposure, I think I should down the exposure a little bit and make the contrast increased, and highlight I'll make it down, shadow a little bit increase, white I'll decrease the blacks, and I'll give exposure a little bit. Okay, and clarity 5%, the variance 5%, and saturation 5%. After that I'll go to the downside, and after that camera calibration part, and I'll reduce the blue to the aqua. -30 is enough, and I'll make it the 8%. Okay, and after that I'll go to the hue, saturation and luminance options, HLS actually, hue, saturation and luminance. If you want to watch it all, press all and it will show you all the panels in one window. Okay, I'd like to do in other ways. Okay, and here is the aqua or blue is oversaturated, and I'll decrease it a little bit, and luminance I'll a little bit down, do it down, and the face color is the oversaturated, and I'll reduce the saturation of orange, and luminance, give some luminance of orange, give some luminance of red, and hue I'll give it like that. Okay, now this one is good, and after that I'll go to the curves and press here. If you are not pressing here, please place here, and you'll get all the colors curves. Okay, at first I'll go to the blue and press here and press here, and after that I'll make it upper and make it lower. After that I'll go to the red options, press here and here, and make it upper side, make it down side. Okay, and the RGB color, and press here, here and here, and I'll do a little bit upper side. It will add the dramatic effect of your photos actually. And after that I'll go to the sharpening option, give the sharpness the 40 or 59%, and I'll add the noise reduction, the luminance and color also. Okay, and let's see what was the before one. Press here the before one, and the after one, before and after. This one is the basic color correction of your photo, and this one is too much easy. If you are the beginner, then you can use your photo, or you can apply your photo easily. If you want to make it preset, let's go there, and the preset option, press the plus options and write down the name of your preset. Suppose I am writing down the sea beach, sea, and I'm giving ASM and C, and create. If you want to apply this preset in other image, then you have to go or select the other image. Suppose my next image, and I want to apply that the previous preset in this image. What should I do? Here is the sunset, ASM Arif sunset, ASM Arif sea beach, sea. Just press here. Okay, it applied before one and the present one. And if you want to export this image, you have to go to the file and go to the export option, and if you give, or if you want to give the watermark, then select here, and I have watermark 2018, and I'm selecting the folder where I want to just export this one. Selected folder, select, and then press the export button. It will take time, and here will show you the progress of the exporting. Okay, and I want to export previous one also, and select the previous one, press Y, turn it off, and Ctrl Shift or E for export, and export this one. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. I'll give you another tutorial the next day. Till the next video, bye bye.